Your Ford escape temperature gauge is maxed out, but your coolant reservoir is completely full. The most common cause of this silent overheating is a burnt-out cooling fan control module. We will test this right now so you can stop your engine from melting. Start the engine and turn your air conditioning to the coldest setting on high. This forces the engine control unit to send a manual override signal to the cooling fans. Open the hood. If the dual fans are not spinning, your fan control module has failed. This module is bolted directly to the fan shroud behind the radiator. Disconnect the wiring harness and check for melted plastic or scorched pins inside the plug. You can swap this burnt module in 10 minutes with a basic socket set to restore cooling power. If you are stranded, use the 5-minute cool-down trick. Roll the windows down and turn your heater to the maximum setting. Your heater core acts as a secondary radiator. This pulls extreme heat out of the engine block, letting you safely drive home without blowing a head gasket.